Hi students, and welcome to week 7 in your online general psychology course. This week we are covering chapter 6, which is over learning. So let's take a look at our module for the week. You are going to have 3 Connect assignments this week, one on classical conditioning, one on the schedules of reinforcement, and one over reinforcement and punishment. In addition to those 3 Connect assignments, you'll have a discussion question I'll come back and talk about at the end, and then your chapter 6 quiz. So these are all due on Sunday, March 9th. So let's take a look at your discussion question. So this one's a little bit different. I am going to have you watch a video. It's very short. It's like 2 minutes long, if I remember. It's very, very short. It's actually a commercial that ran in Australia. And so it's called Children See, Children Do. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the ways and theories behind learning. And so one of the topics that you'll discuss is observational learning and how this video will also show you how it fits into the social learning theory. And so as you watch this video, you'll see what's going on very quickly. And then I want you to respond to that question. So I want you to think about what you're reading and learning in the chapter, especially as it applies to Albert Bandura's theory on observational learning, and then share your thoughts on the video of, the implication of children watching us and our behaviors and how that plays into social learning overall. So just kind of speak to these. And then, of course, part 2, don't forget to respond to 2 classmates. So, on discussion questions, you kind of know the drill there. We've been doing them for since January. So hopefully that helps you to understand this assignment a little bit better. I do want to give a warning. In this video, it has strong content. There is abuse and foul language and racism, and so it could be sensitive for some people, and I want to respect that. So if you feel like any of that may be a trigger for you and you don't feel comfortable watching this commercial, I certainly understand. Please just reach out to me and I'll give you the alternative assignment. Again, this ran on public television in Australia, but I still want to be very sensitive to the topics that the video discusses. All right. And so 3 Connect assignments, your quiz, and then this discussion question. And then guess what? It's spring break next week. So we won't have any assignments due for the week of March. What is it? 10th through 16th, I believe is the date. So, this is due on Sunday, March 9th. Then it's spring break. So we will not have another assignment until the week of March 17th through the 23rd. Okay, so enjoy your spring break week. No assignments due, but when we come back, we will be, once we finish week 8, we're at the halfway mark. So just to kind of think about that and think about, wrapping up the end of the second part of the semester. Have a great week and let me know if you have any questions. Take care, everybody.